What's good, everybody? Hope I have a great. Why is my battery on 2%? God damn it! I charged this motherfucker. It's alright. I got two. I already have two more replaceable ones, so we're good to go. But like, damn, I charge you, bro. This is why I hate about third-party batteries, bro. Me and my boy were talking about this. Third-party batteries need to do better. I need to feed a Joey Swole of fucking cameras for third-party batteries. Damn. But it's also because I probably charge it overnight sometimes, and that kind of drains the battery over time. So that is kind of my fault. Hey, it is what it is. Well, let's get back into working out. All right, we're going to be hitting some shoulders and some back today. It's going to be fun. I personally haven't hit shoulders like as a workout in like months, probably like a year. Because I incorporate shoulders in my chest and back workout, so I don't necessarily feel a need to have a specific day to target it, just because I incorporate through every workout. And even when I do legs, you'll catch me doing some lateral raises towards the end. I just love when, you know, that, like those fibers are just twitching. What's important when you see those fibers going down your shoulders. Ooh, we love it, baby. But now let's get into it. We're about to go to the gym right now. We're literally just mixing up the pre-workout. Today we have a little bit prepared. We have a little bit of creatine, and we have a little bit of beta-alanine. Creatine to prepare from Herbalife, and the beta-alanine, y'all know where it is. Beta-alanine is always in there. That's all you need for your pre-workout, basically, you know? But yeah, let's go!
With hopelessness of hunger. Will things go wrong? We all get knocked down.
Oh my god, the beta-alanine is kicking in like a motherfucker. Alright, it's currently like 12 right now. Yeah, I don't know why. I just started to work out late today, so we're gonna be doing some shoulder press first. We're gonna go for 4 sets. We're gonna see if we can aim to like 3 plates for 10 reps. This is the last time I was able to do this. That's what I was able to get. So we're gonna try taking that again. Just get that feel again, get that 3 plates for reps again. I just love pushing 3 plates for everything. But now let's get into it. Let's go. Ooh. Alright, now we're gonna jump up to 2 plates. I'm gonna go for another 10 reps, see how that feels. And then from there on, just gauge how everything goes. I still have to work for 1 more plate on this. I was about to go without it. That's crazy. I can't believe I just did that. Wow. Alright, so we just finished overhead press. Did about 4 sets. Now we're going to do like incline row, with like a chest support. I wanted to do like the regular single arm row, but my grip's been giving up on me very easily lately, so I'd rather do this because less grip, less movement, I'm just more focused on the back for growth. So yeah, but I crushed that. We're going to start with probably 80s. And beat. Not beat, but to the point where I can't kill no more. But that was tough. Yeah, man, I love this exercise. You feel the entire back the entire time, because I'm feeling it literally every rep, every set. Right now we're about to go to leading, basically lateral, well, not leading, seated lateral raises, and then leading real delt flies on the incline. Go 4 sets, 12 each. Let's go. Super set though. Wake up, 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 wake up. Come on, come on. Come on. shit. Yeah, feeling good though. It's like a very late night back workout, but we're pushing through, The reason is, so, you know when you nap in between the day and just mess up your entire day? So I nap for like 1 hour, and I have energy. I know what to do with it. Might as well come to the gym, work out, get in, and peace, you know? Quick, easy, straight to the point, and right. We got one more share. We're gonna move on to 4, see how we get the talk. We'll see how many we get for 4, and from there on, move on to most likely cable ladder raises and pull down 2%. And then we're done. Let's go. Bro, I love using the V-bar for this. Oh my goodness. Oh, the feel you get, the stretch you get, it just puts you in a perfect hand position, man. And from there, all you gotta do is just focus on elbows out. Feels great, but let's continue. We are, whoa. Not trying to have, there you go, we ain't trying to have that, alright? That black and gray, not black. But no, we're done, fam. We just finished up. I feel pretty good. That was a good workout. It was a good workout, and this is usually like, again, when you just, you just say fuck it, you have nothing else to do. I don't like staying home. I'd rather just be out doing something, and I just picked the workout. And I don't regret it. I feel amazing. I feel great. Right now, we're getting stronger. We're getting leaner, which I love, especially on lean bulk. And yeah, that's all I could wish for right now. Now I just got to keep it going, keep growing. And yeah, let's get there, baby. Let's get there. But nah, man. Shit, bro. I'm telling you, I'm probably not going to go to bed, though, till probably like 3 a.m. The Bay Out means kicking in. It's kicking my ass. Don't do this. This shit's going to keep me awake, bro. I just realized that shit. And I can get some work done. Seriously though, fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys. That being said, hope you have the best day ever. I'm gonna do some posing. Well, I'm not signing off yet. Let's do some posing first. Let's see how we look. So my camera died, but still, I was gonna say, I ain't gonna lie, my back is looking good right now. Pause, but it's looking good right now. Whoo! That was something else. Alright, that's what I wanted to say. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys next time. And remember, when it comes to your workouts, push hard, push till a little bit of failure. Always leave at least 1 or 2 reps in reserve. And again, it's all about you. Believe in yourself. Believe you can. Believe you will. And believe it will happen. Believe you can change your body. Believe you can stick to the diet. And if you do that, you're already 50% there. So at the end of the day, keep crushing it. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Catch you guys. Peace.